UpKeep's inventory management software helps maintenance teams keep important parts in stock and accounted for. On your parts and inventory page, you can see the quantity that's in stock for any part. You can also add minimum quantity counts based on how often the part is used. When the minimum threshold is reached, you'll receive an alert on your inventory page and receive an email notification. To manage inventory more easily, you can instantly create a QR code for any part. Print out the QR code and affix it to the part's storage container. You and your team can scan the QR code with a mobile device to view remaining quantities and details. You can also view all work orders that the part was used for. If you notice that the quantity for the part is running low, you can create a purchase order. When the parts manager or maintenance manager receives the purchase order, they can approve it and send a PDF version to the vendor. When the PO is fulfilled by the vendor, the quantity in the PO is added to the total quantity in your inventory. To improve inventory management for your maintenance team, sign up for a free UpKeep account today.